Welcome back to another session with me, Monika. Today we will call upon our higher self to be with us during this meditation. Our higher self is comforting. Our higher self is reminding us that we are safe right now. Our higher self is a familiar presence. Take a moment to call upon your higher self. Breathe in through the nose and exhale the breath out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Breathe in through the mouth. Exhale out through the mouth. Calling upon your higher self to be with us right now. And notice how you feel in your headspace. Relax the forehead, the eyebrows, the nose, cheeks, and jaw. Breathe in deeply through the nose, allowing the new oxygen to fill your head. Allow the breath to soothe any tension you are experiencing in the face. Then exhale and send the energy out through the body. Breathing in the new oxygen and exhaling out the old out of the body. Breathe in through the nose and allow the new oxygen to fill any tensions in the face. Exhale, release the tensions. Allow the back of the head to further sink into the ground. To further sink into the ground that's supporting it. Thank the ground. Thank the room for its support. Thank your higher self for also being present. Now on your next inhale, welcome the breath. And intake it to your chest area. Send the breath to your chest. Allow the new oxygen to explore the depths of your heart space, ribs, stomach, and organs. Say hello to these areas, and on the exhale, release any initial tensions. Breathe in and welcome your chest and stomach area with this new oxygen. Say hello to these areas, giving them the attention they deserve. Saying hello to your chest and your stomach. And on the exhale, consciously let go any tensions by allowing the upper back and lower back to sink more into the surface you are resting on. Breathe in the new oxygen and fill your chest and stomach even more. Exhale, allow the shoulders to relax even more. Allow the shoulders to sink into the ground. Breathe in the new oxygen and fill in the spaces between the ribs and in between the stomach, into all the organs that make up the stomach. And exhale, relax the upper, middle, and lower back by feeling the energy of these areas being absorbed by the ground. Thank the ground, thank the room, thank your higher self, as you are safe right now. Then shift your awareness to your pelvic floor and sexual organs. Say hello to these areas, and on the next inhale, send a new oxygen to them. Show your appreciation to them. Then exhale, release any initial tensions, sexual frustrations. Let them go through the exhale. Breathe in the new oxygen and exhale out deeply, relaxing the pelvic floor. Breathe in the new oxygen to your sexual organs, thanking them by affirming, I am grateful for you. I am uniquely beautiful. I am worthy of love. I am happy today. I deserve the pleasure you hold. I am sacredly cherished. Thank you, my wonderful vagina, penis, and anus. Inhale through the mouth and exhale, release through the mouth. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through the nose. Inhale, sending the new oxygen to your pelvic floor. Exhale, allow the pelvic floor to sink more into the ground. Thank the ground, thank the room, thank your higher self. Now on the next inhale, send the new oxygen from your pelvic floor down the hips, thighs, shins, calves, ankles, and out through the feet on the exhale. Trace the line of oxygen to the flow, releasing out from the feet, from the hips down to the feet. Breathe in the new and release the old. And release the old on that exhale. Breathe in the new and release the old on the exhale. Breathe in the new and release any tensions from the legs out through the feet. Breathe in and breathe out. Allow the breath to soothe the legs, to relax more into the surface they are resting on. And exhale, sink a little further. Stay here for a few moments. Allowing the body to relax even more. And allow the body to fully become aware of its newfound presence, from the top of the head all the way down through the feet. The body feels lighter, supported, clearer minded. The body is ready to listen to its higher self. So affirm with me, I am present. I am open. I am grateful for my body. I love my body. I hear its tensions. I hear its cravings. I am present now to act more consciously with my body's needs. I put myself first today. I honor my rest. I honor my inner wisdom. Today I begin anew. Right now I am free. So thank your body and say, I love you. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Inhale and exhale. And slowly begin to wiggle your hands and your feet. And keep breathing at your own rhythm, in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can place your hand on your heart to tune into your heart's song. Thank your higher self for staying with you. Thank yourself for welcoming the breath to cleanse the body from its tensions. You are the creator. You are the one that can release these blocks. All is within. And thank you for practicing for yourself. Until we meet again, please like and subscribe for more. I appreciate you and I am here for you. Have a beautiful day. Aloha.